Say cheese. Hey, bud, remember I told you about the hat? Either you take it off.
Where's it going? Is he just using his legs?
No.
Yeah? That's from the street. Look at the motorcycle. Look at that. Hi, Rhino.
I'd like to have that chasing you. Also up on the right there.
Over here. Underwater? They're swimming.
Look at the Adelaide. Adelaide. What I did. What I did. Penguin.
You want to film? You want to see yourself?
Say cheese, guys.
No, walk across. Walk to that one. And then walk to that one.
Walk up here.
You want to go up there? All right, go ahead. I'll follow you. We did. It's pretty far down. I guess we gotta go back down. You want me to take a picture? Hold on, guys. Ready?
Yes. Thank you.
Of course.
Wow.
Come on. Slow, slow, slow. Whoa. Go ahead, Charlie. Run, run, run. Whoa. Go ahead, bud. Zachariah, wait. Wait for me. Zachariah, wait for me. No, Zachariah, Zachariah. All right, you want to go down? Go ahead, bud.
Hey, Charlie.
Charlie.